Sierra.
Welcome to Long Island.
Delta 527.
Right. Feed in some power now, please.
Delta 580, turn right, heading 190,
Say
just going to maintain
50.
2,000.
Oh, well.
Down to 2,000, right turn 190, Delta 580.
Just
Virgin
easing on
25
it.
Bravo, just confirm the speed you want, please.
Right, arresting the descent.
220 knots, 220.
Okay. Arm VNAV descent, okay. All right, let's go ahead and arm the approach. Hit approach. FMSA, bingo, okay? Let's keep it under 200 knots. Once we get to inbound from Tracy, we'll go 1 notch of flaps. All right, there's the turn.
Virgin 25 Bravo Heavy, cross Maldi at or above 2,000, cleared ILS, runway 31 right approach.
Cross Maldi at or above 2,000, cleared ILS approach 31 right, Virgin 25 Bravo.
Approach shot.
JetBlue 2662, turn right, heading 040.
Heading 040, JetBlue 2663.
Try and get the,
So 527, turn left, heading
plate
at
on there.
340, advising to go field in sight.
There you are.
Delta 527, go left to 340.
Okay.
Guys 556, turn left, heading 140.
Left 140, Jet
Stupid, they couldn't have just directed us to Alfred.
Yeah, you got to be like min-fuel. All right, that wasn't that bad.
Yeah, it's
All
fine.
right, 192 knots.
A little bit more speed or less? Or
No, we're going to go
JetBlue 2662, just going to maintain 3,000,
1 notch
altimeter
of flaps here in a
2990.
second. As soon as we turn inbound.
3,02990, JetBlue
Actually, you could do it now. 1 notch.
1
Delta
notch.
527,
Okay,
go
we're under
to
200 knots.
527, clear the visual 31 left, towers 19-1.
That
Good day.
glide.
Delta 527,
So
clear
you see
visual
how this
31
came up?
left, tower.
That's
Yeah, I
saying
was
you
just
can't-
going to say we're about to overspeed, but we weren't.
No, that's saying you can't go with 1 notch of flaps. You can't
Virgin
go
25 Bravo
above
Heavy, speed
200
is
now.
your discretion. Contact
All
Kennedy
right, we're
Tower,
leaving off a little speed,
119.1.
which we want to.
119.1, speed out
We want to. We want to slow down.
Good night.
Okay. And it's going to do a nice graceful turn inbound. We got tower standing by. Okay. And you're going to get a glide slope here, right? And when it gets 1 dot above,
We pull landing.
you're going to go down landing gear. And your speed's bleeding off. We're watching that. To a certain extent, we want that. You might have to give it a little more power. We'll see. Okay, we're Tracy
Delta
inbound to
580,
Alfred.
turn left, heading 130.
Left turn 130, Delta 580.
American 2292,
And
flighting
sometimes in the sea
010.
of lights, it's hard to see the airport.
010, 220 on speed, American 2290.
430 Delta Charlie, contact tower 18.8.
Over to tower 1880, Delta Charlie. Happy New Year.
2.
Okay, so 18.8. And
32 HondaJet traffic joining an 8-mile final.
Okay, left downwind for 32. We'll keep an eye out for that jet.
Hello, Republic HondaJet
Vertical track.
430 Delta Charlie. Inbound from Tracy to runway 32, runway in sight.
HondaJet 430 Delta Charlie, Republic Tower, wind calm.
got traffic.
Runway 32, clear to land.
Clear to land 32, and where's that traffic for 0 Delta Charlie?
They're joining the midfield, left downwind.
Roger that, we'll keep our eyes peeled.
Yep, you're number 1 in the field. If you'd like, you can keep the speed up. They're looking for you. They'll follow you in.
Okay, 0 Delta Charlie, very good.
probably here. Okay. All right. When this comes to here, I want you to go gear down.
Waiting. It's like slow and then it drops before you know it.
Right? And it's all, we want to get configured. And then the next thing will be full flaps.
Yep.
Okay.
Almost there.
97 Golf has the HondaJet site.
97 Golf,
Ow.
HondaJet, caution wake turbulence, runway
Yes.
32, clear to land, number 2.
Number 2 behind the HondaJet, clear to land 32, 97 Golf.
You got to make sure it comes down. You got to see three locked. Okay, we probably need a little bit of power. Give me a little bit of power. Give me a little bit of power.
60?
No, that's good. Just a little
Oh.
exposure.
Whoops.
Okay. And our next thing is full flaps. All right, maybe take some power out now.
Me or you?
You take some power out.
Is that enough?
Yeah, that should be good. Let it ease in. Another few seconds, we'll go landing flaps. Clear night.
Right? Hopefully no deer on the runway.
And if there was, we got missed.
Uh-huh.
All right, let's go landing flaps.
I almost just went to take the landing gear out again.
We did set up the VREF, right?
Landing flaps.
Oh, what was VREF? 109? No, 113. Something high. 115. 115. Okay. There it is posted. Yeah. Seat straight up and down.
Yep. Yep.
Okay. My feet are exercising the rudders and the brakes. I'll go ahead and kick off the autopilot. Autopilot's off. Here's your pipper showing you where you're going to be. You can still use this, right? A little bit of power in. I want to be at 115 over
500.
the numbers, right? Come left a little bit. I can see that by the pipper. I was just looking at the instruments. And yeah, my line is over here. Yeah. Back in. Left a little bit. Back in. Left a little bit more. Power's coming out. Coming out.
Minimums.
Come right a little bit now. Duh. At 115, a little bit power now. A little bit power. The power. I'm under. Hold that for a second. All right. Power's coming off. Gears down.
And
Yeah, and this time I threw out the speed brake.
5,000.
That lurching is the ABS brakes. I'm holding the brakes hard.
4,000.
0 Delta Charlie parking.
Atlantic.
0 Delta Charlie, roger. You can roll it down to Bravo, left on Bravo, and taxi in with me.
Left on Bravo, taxiing with you, 0 Delta Charlie.
Where is Bravo, daughter? Do you see Bravo?
up past runway, whatever this is.
Can we turn off a Golf?
Yeah, sure. You can take Golf Mike if you'd like. Golf Mike cross at the end.
I think this is Gulf. So.
That's good.
All right, down Golf Mike, cross runway 1 at the end, 0 Delta Charlie. Thank you. And a Happy New Year to you, by the way.
Thank you. You as well.
So I did a max performance landing, and it worked really good.
Yeah.
So my only screw up was hitting this instead of that.
Yeah.
And it goes to show, listen, I saw this FAA guy say once at one of these seminars, he says, on every flight he makes a mistake.
Yeah.
So you make mistakes, you got to recover from them fast. All right, he cleared us to cross.
Oh, wow. Well, you can land with 2 approach flaps.
Oh yeah, you can land with no flaps. You can land with approach flaps. The parallax, how you see things, your speed will be higher.
Yeah.
Right. But you do have flap failures. It's not the end of the world.
Look at this parking spot. Guess it snowed a little while we were gone.
Yeah.
Like a mountain.
Okay. Look,
Clear on this side.
poor guys.
Sorry, y'all.